Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to allow a specific application to read our notifications in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So, where to look for this option? First, we need to go to Settings. In Settings, we are looking for Notifications Options menu, and here we need to go to Device and App Notifications. Control which app and device can read notifications. Yes, please. So, let's for example open Smart Connect. This application is allowed to read our notifications, and let's say we want it to read our notifications only. And that's it. We can pick and choose whatever we want from here, and we can back out and close the menu. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.